Okay, this is the FE bootable disk. I'm going to explain how to mount this. I'm doing this in my VM instead of on my computer because that's the smart thing to do. So as you can see, I already have my server open and my XP open, but I'm gonna have to reboot it so that it will boot in the CD that I have put in here so I can start explaining this. Ah, actually, it's in. It's done. Let's clear this out though, so I can let's exit all of this out. Let's clear this all out. Um, anyway, when you boot up your disk, actually, it'll go through some it'll go through some load up prompts. This is pretty much everybody knows how to get to this part, so I'm just gonna start explaining from this part. I have my instructions here. They're simple, 7 basic instructions. I know them pretty much by heart, so I'm just gonna go from here. Um, First thing we're gonna do is load up this partition so that we can begin mounting the disk, our CD to the drive. First thing we're gonna type in is list out disk so that we know which disks are on this system. There's only one disk because this is my VM ISO, so I'm gonna select this disk. So select this 0. Now we need to know how many volumes are in this disk. So there are 2 volumes. Volume 0 is the CD DVD that I placed into my disk. This is my bootable disk. When you select the disk that you want to mount, you want to select the partitioned volume. You do not want to select the DVD because you cannot mount a DVD to a DVD. So we're going to select volume 1. Pretty simple. Type in select volume 1 right there. Bam. Alright, hit enter. It'll go through some stuff and say volume 1 is now selected disk. Now we need to mount the disk. What we're going to do is it's a simple line of command, and it is clearly attributes volume clear read only. You type that, you will mount your CD to this disk. Pretty simple. You just type it, hit enter, it'll do it. We are done with that part. If I go through my instructions, I went in this part, I did all of that, and I'm down at the bottom. The only thing we need to do is assign our little drive a letter. So we're gonna assign letter equals x. So it's gonna be x. Oh crap. Let's try that again. Let's actually space that. Wait. The directory is not empty. Let's exit out of this part and let's actually, what are we gonna do? dir. Oh, a ton of crap in here. Nothing we need to worry about. So we're just gonna back out of this one, and we're also gonna back out of this one until we get to the very root of our disk. And now we should look up everything on our disk, and you will see program files, users, windows, and WinFE. WinFE, that is what I named my disk, so this is the disk that I have on there. So we're going to select WinFE. Pretty simple. We're in that drive. We can list what's in that drive. As you can see, I have sysinternals in that drive. Pretty awesome. So we're going to go into that directory, sysinternals, suite, bam. Wait, crap, I didn't space that. There we go. In that folder, dir. Those are all the crap, that's all the stuff I have in there. So I'm going to, let's hit procmon.exe, and it's going to go through some pretty stuff and take a little while. And there we go. Proc Monitor is open. As I explained, pretty simple. You mount your disk in these pretty simple steps. Step 1, you gotta go into disk part, select the disk that you want to use, select the volume, the partition volume, not the drive that you're doing. and then do the attributes clear read only command to mount it. Then you can assign it a letter if you want to, but after that you're pretty much done. You exit. Once you do that, you'll be CDing back into the base drive of the base root folder of the computer that you're on, and you should be easily able to find your CD and get on your CD and look for your files that you have and then begin loading and using them. Alright, I'm done with this, so I'm actually going to